What's going on, stackers? So in this video I'm going to show you how I made $2,500 my first 30 days selling an online course. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every single day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than an internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Recently I've been talking a lot about low content book publishing because I've done this, I'm doing this myself, and I'm getting results. That's what my course is about. I've also spoken a lot about eBay dropshipping on this channel when I was doing that. I just like to speak about lots of different ways to make money online. Now, am I always going to do low content book publishing on this channel? Probably not. I am going to do other things, like I want to get into audiobooks as well. So once I get into audiobooks, I'll be talking about that on the channel. I just like to talk and show you exactly what's working for me and what type of businesses I'm doing to make money online. So again, if you're interested, go and hit that subscribe button. Now, so this video is all about how I made money, or how you can make money as well, selling online courses, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did this. But first, I always say there's two best ways to make money online. Number one, go to where there's already traffic, or number two, build a following and match products to your following. And that's how I did this course. So I have this YouTube channel, and then I got into low content book publishing, and I started creating videos, obviously, as you can see, around this topic. Then I started getting a lot of people asking me if I had a step-by-step course teaching you how to do low content book publishing. So because the demand was there, I made these videos talking about low content books, showing my results, and people naturally wanted a course. So I created the course to sell to my following. Pretty simple, right? People are asking for it, so I created it. Now, if we go over to my Gumroad dashboard, this is where I host my course, just because it is unbelievably easy. Will I be moving to Teachable or Thinkific? More than likely in the future, but for now I'm quite happy just hosting it on Gumroad. So this is my first 30 days. This is from the 15th of January to the 15th of February, and as you can see, I've had 41 people enroll in the course. So I have 41 students. Now I'm currently offering half off my course, which is now £49.99. That's around $64, but that equates to $2,658.99. Now I'll refresh this page so you know that I'm not messing with the code, and you can see this is real. Now the thing is, with my channel, I like transparency, so I like to show you guys exactly all my sales and everything that comes along with it. So the page has been refreshed, and as you can see, $2,658.99 in my first 30 days selling an online course. And this literally hasn't cost me anything to make. So I created the course, I already had a screen recording software, and then I host it on here, which you can do completely for free as well, or you can use the paid option, which is only $10 a month. But realistically, to make this money, this hasn't cost me anything, because all my traffic, most of my traffic, comes from YouTube and my Facebook group, but this is completely free to do as well. So how can you do this? Well, you can do this in any niche. It doesn't matter if it's the make money online niche, doesn't matter if it's gardening, gaming, it does not matter. You create your following and then match products to your following. Now if we go over to Funnelytics, I have this little funnel here which I've had for a little while, and this just shows you a little bit more on how I got the traffic to my course. So this is my YouTube channel. Then I have all my little different videos. Your videos can be on any topic. At the minute, mine's mainly about low content books. And I like to call these videos PIMs. That's passive income machines, because these little videos are on YouTube forever. And if you do your tags, your title and everything right, you can get ranked in YouTube and Google. So when people search a certain phrase, they're going to come across your video. So when people type in low content book publishing, they're going to come across my videos, and then I'm going to push that traffic multiple different ways. For this instance, it's to the Printing Profits course. I also push them to the Facebook group, the Inner Circle, and then another way is just AdSense money on top of the videos. That's another way you can make money. You can do affiliate products and also build your email list. So once you actually understand all of this, this is really, really simple. But it all comes down to building that following. And to build that following, you have to provide value. Now, if you're not making much money at the minute, this can be in any type of business, then you're simply not providing enough value, because you get paid in direct proportion to how much value you bring to the marketplace. If you're not providing much value, you're not going to make much money. It's that simple. So if you want to sell an online course, start building that following, start providing value in the form of helpful content in that niche. Or if you don't actually want to do that, build a following, you can use a website like Udemy. Because remember, there's two best ways to make money online. Number one, go to where there's already traffic, or number two, build that following. So if you don't want to build the following, go to where there's already traffic. And where's that? Udemy. They have a boatload of traffic and a lot of people wanting to learn new skills. So you can build a course and host it on Udemy. That way you don't actually have to build that following. Now, when it comes to actually making a course, don't go and make it around something you have no idea around or about, because it's going to show in that course. Now, with my Printing Profits, that's how to sell low content books on Amazon, I know a lot about this subject. I've been doing it the last 3 months and I've got some pretty good results. So when I made that course, it was really easy for me to make it because I knew a lot about that business. So if you're creating a course around something that you don't really know or understand, it's going to show in your course and people are not really going to like that. So, as you can see, for me to make this money selling an online course, it was actually pretty simple. Provide value to the marketplace in the form of helpful content and recommend my course in the process. Why am I showing you this? Well, I want to show you what's possible by selling an online course, and I like to be transparent on this channel and show you my results, and hopefully you can get results like this too. Now, not many people are going to tell you this, but by selling an online course you can make much more money doing that than you can by actually doing what you're teaching, if you understand what I mean. So I made over $2,500 my first 30 days selling an online course, and I probably, well actually in that month I did sell roughly about the same amount of that with low content books. But you get the general idea. Not many people are going to tell you you can make more money selling an online course than you can by teaching what you're doing, or doing what you're teaching, I should have said. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know in the comments down below, and let me know if you've ever thought about making an online course. Now again, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.